Hi, Dan here with ReadyLIFT. I'm here today to talk to you about our leveling kit for the 2019 GM 1500, part number 663920. Now this kit consists of a lower strut spacer. This machined out of a solid piece of billet, has a nice ReadyLIFT logo down the front. It is intentionally designed with a taper. Now this taper helps preserve the strut angle to protect the wiper seal on the actual shock body itself, and because it's bottom only, there's two benefits there. One, it works with all Magnum-Ride trucks, so all 1500s, and it's easy to install. Now Mike's already torn into this one. We're going to show you how easy it is to get this thing on board. And there you have it, spacer installed, piece of cake. So we'll get this one buttoned up on the ground, tightened up and aligned, and then we're gonna install some brand new XD Spy 2 20x9 with a 0 offset, wrapped in a Nitto Ridge grappler that's 295/60/20. So we'll get this all buttoned up and installed for you, and we'll show you some nice after shots. And there you have it, a 2-inch leveling kit, our part number 663920 on a 2019 GM 1500. Now this truck is sitting level and looking good. If you want to learn more about our products, please visit www.readylift.com or find your local ReadyLIFT dealer.